everybody, I'm Used Car Studios and welcome to another polymer clay tutorial. Today we're going to create Mesonite from Kirby and Super Smash Bros. Okay, so we're going to start by getting white and silver clay and mixing them. You may notice the Super Smash Bros theme in the background. I just wanted to go for that for the sound. Okay, so I just have to mix this clay. The way you mix it is just by you really just roll them around until they become one colour. You might notice I don't have my scalpel till the very end of the video. It's a long story why, but let's just call this a no scalpel challenge. I'm just reaching my hand across because I'm listening to music while I'm doing this. It helps me concentrate. If you don't do that while you're working, you should try it. It's good. It's nice. Okay, so now I'm just reading music again. Don't worry, I don't do that for the whole video. Music. By the way, this suggestion was brought to me. The suggestion for Super Smash Bros. Was brought to me by the Stardust Cyborg on Discord. He suggested for me to do Mesa Ridley, who I won't give anything away, but I will be doing some more Super Smash Bros. Characters in the future. I thought Mesa Ridley might be a bit hard, so I'm doing Mesonite. For those of you who don't know, Mesonite is an anti-hero in the Kirby series. I don't know that much about him. I'd like to play as him in Super Smash Bros. But I think he's sort of like he just flies around in the spaceship, trying to stop Kirby, but occasionally helping him. He's basically just a little ball wearing armor, and in Super Smash Bros. He's pretty OP. He's really good. But if you ever play as him, then don't shoot yourself off the arena, because he can do like a drill thing. Right, now I'm mixing sea blue or something, royal blue, with white to get his sort of dark blue effect. Rolling it into a ball now, and I'm going to attach the faceplate. Just need to cut it a little bit. Okay, Mesonite's faceplate is attached to the ball. So I think he has these clips holding the faceplate in place, so I'm just doing those. It's pretty easy, you just squish them into a triangular shape. Easy peasy. So now I'm cutting the goggles out, which is easier said than done when you don't have a scalpel. Not goggles, face bit. Just the bit where you can see his eyes. His visor? No, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just making the right shape, and I'm going to put a little bit of black in it. And then he has these nice yellow eyes, which I wish there was glow-in-the-dark clay. That would be so cool if you could have glow-in-the-dark eyes. Maybe there is. If anyone knows, put the link in the description. Put the link in the comments, please. Right. So that's that's Mesonite almost done. Well, not Mesonite, sorry. The first part of the body almost done. I'm just adding some. Oh yeah, I'm doing the shoulder pads first. They are quite easy to make. You just have to roll the ball. Well, you can watch what I'm doing, but you just roll the ball and sort of squish it in. Then you give it a gold outline. He also has some little decal on one of his shoulders, which I'm going to add at the end using a whiteout pen. Alright, there's the shoulder pads, and we're ready to put it into the oven. No, we're not. Less awkward than last time, I think. I think last time the video was too long, so shout-outs to Freddy Fazbear the Idiot on WhatsApp. Sorry, can't share real names, I'm just showing what I call him on WhatsApp. Shout-out to Freddy Fazbear the Idiot on WhatsApp. If you're watching this, you're not an idiot. It's just what I've named you. Now we just have to make the hands, and we're putting it into the oven. Right, and we're back. It's been a little while. Now I'm making his feet, which are pretty easy as well. Changing the music again. Okay, you just have to roll two triangle shapes, sort of, and then attach them to the bottom of the ball. Yep. And then you have to roll two flat pieces and attach them to the triangles. Right. So the feet are pretty easy, honestly. That was it. I'm going to do the cape now. I have to mix a little bit more blue and white to get the nice dark blue effect again. By the way, in the future, to everyone, instead of just commenting yay, why not comment some advice on the video? Wouldn't that be great? Although it's also fine to comment yay, because yay is nice. Okay, I've almost finished mixing the clay now, and constantly changing the music. I'm sure if I edited out all the music, it would be like twice as short, so I'm really sorry. Right, that's the cape done, almost. You have to roll it into the well, that's the colour mixed, now I'm making it into the shape. And cutting it, right. Okay, it's like sort of a Batman style cape. And then just attach the orange. No, not orange, gold, sorry. I can't speak today. And then I just get some white. He has this sort of rough thingy. That was pretty easy to do. Just get like a knife little thing, make indentations, and attach it to his back. And now we're ready in just a second. And any minute now. Okay, now we're ready to put it into the oven. Right, 130 degrees Celsius, 260 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes ideally. Alright, and we're out of the oven. Now we just have to add the little details. The M on his side, M for Meta Knight. He has this little sword through it. It was really satisfying to draw this and then watch it afterwards. Alright, that's that. If you didn't see that, you'll be able to see it in a little bit at the end, so you can skip there if you want. Okay, now we're making his sword, which he can hold in his hand. Well, wire is where he hold it. Okay, now we just have to sandwich the wire in gold clay. And then make the handle, which is pretty easy. And then you have to make a little ring out of yeah, sorry, first we have to make these spikes on the edge of the sword. Just get some gold clay and bend it upwards. As you can see, Return of the Old Hero, the scalpel. So I made a ring out of gold clay, as you can see there, or not see. And then I attached the red thing, and into the oven again. Okay, and that is it. Thank you, everyone. On that terrible disappointment, it's time to end the video. I will see you all next time for another Super Smash Bros. Character. Peace out. I did it.